Hey guys, welcome back to JS Overland Exploration. We're here exploring the Eastern Sierras and the US 395 with friends from Open Road 42 and our family. Right now we are at about 6,000 to 7,000 feet of elevation, and we're definitely enjoying ourselves because the weather is about 75 degrees. If you like what you see, guys, please subscribe to our channel. We look forward to creating more content for you guys. We also posted a lot of photos on our Instagram, and I will link that description below on the description part of YouTube. This water crossing was not very deep, but it was definitely very fun. We found a few campgrounds here that we need to come back and explore. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and we look forward to creating more content in the future. Bye bye.